Hello and welcome to Froggity Frog and this stitch guide on how to crochet the slanted shell stitch. This is a really nice stitch to make and it just looks like shells that are slanted different ways from each row. So to make this stitch you're going to need a foundation chain in multiples of 4 plus 1 for your turning chain. So to start your slanted shell stitch we're going to make a single crochet in the third chain from your hook. So our turning chain counts as the first stitch, so I've already marked the first chain from my hook, so I can keep track of that. And then you're going to make a single crochet in each stitch across. So our first row is just a plain row of single crochet. So at the end of the row, just make a single crochet in the last stitch and turn. Okay, so row 2, you're going to turn, chain 1. In the first stitch, you're going to make a single crochet. Just going to mark that with a stitch marker. And then you're going to chain 2. Now, still working in your first stitch, you're going to make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. So in your first stitch you have single crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Now we're going to skip the next 3 stitches, and in the following stitch we're going to do the same again. Single crochet, chain 2, but this time we're making 4 double crochet, not 3. Ooh, helps if I actually finish the double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So single crochet, chain 2 and 4 double crochet in this stitch. And repeat this across the row. Skip 3 stitches, then in the next stitch make a single crochet, chain 2 and then make 4 double crochet all in that same stitch. 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and you repeat this 2, 3 until you have 1 stitch left. So second to last stitch I've got another repeat. Just go ahead and finish that. Single crochet, chain 2 and then 4 double crochet all in the same stitch. 2, 3 and 4. And then in the final stitch I'm going to make a single crochet. It's gone a little bit tight. Single crochet. And that's row 2. So now we're going to turn and chain 1. In that first stitch we're going to make a double crochet turning chain. Like so. Okay, so still working in that first stitch, I'm going to make another 3 double crochet. So 1, 2 and 3. So in your first stitch of the row you'll have a double crochet turning chain plus 3 double crochet. So now we're going to skip to the chain 2 space over here. So we're going to skip the next 4 double crochet, go straight to the chain 2 space and into there
going to make single crochet, chain 2 and 4 double crochet all in the same stitch. 1, oops, where's my yarn gone? What have I done there? Right, let's try those double crochet again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we're going to skip to the next chain space. So we skip all these double crochet, go straight to the next chain space, make a single crochet, chain 2 and then make 4 double crochet all in the same chain space. And this is your repeat across the row. 3, oops, and 4. Skip to the next chain space and you're going to repeat this across the row. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So repeat that across the row until you get to your final chain space, which is over here. And into this space we're just going to make a single crochet and nothing else. And that's row 3. So you're going to repeat row 3 until you have as many rows as you need. And then when you get to your final row, we need to make a finishing row. So to do that, you're going to turn, chain 1 and make a single crochet in the first stitch. Now in your finishing row you're only going to be working into the double crochets. And you're going to make a single crochet in every double stitch. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'm going to skip the chain 2, skip the single crochet and then skip to the next double crochet and make a single crochet in each stitch. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip the chain 2, skip the single crochet, go to the next double crochet and a single crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again, skip the chain 2, skip the single crochet and make a single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. And single crochet in the last stitch of the row. And that will give you a flat top to finish.
And there is your stitch guide on how to crochet the slanted shell stitch. I would love to see what you create with this really nice stitch. Please do come and show us over in our Facebook group, Froggity Frogs Ribbons and Stitch. The link is beneath the video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well for more crochet stitches, crochet patterns and hints and tips as well. So thank you for watching and I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.